How's it going, everyone? Today is July 23rd. It is a awesome Saturday actually. I'm about to head over to the mall to get my phone screen fixed, because that really needs to happen, and yeah, needed some of that to make it happen too. But right now I'm going over to the... Damn it! Wait, I think I'm good. Yes. Hell yeah. Why? Why? Okay, so I just got on my lunch break like 5 hours late. Just picked up my phone. Screen looks awesome. Really hyped that it's not broken anymore, but yeah, work's been freaking off the wall. I can't even begin to tell you how wild it's been. Okay, so I'm probably gonna put on this LifeProof case that Taylor kindly gave me. Hopefully it'll save my phone until I can get probably an upgrade and probably a new screen protector, and then probably a different case. But yeah, it's 4:30 right now. I'm about to head back to work, probably get some food. But when I got in my car, my thermometer read 101 degrees. I'm sweating right now thinking about that. Why? Why? Oh, that air feels so good. Holy moly. But why? Alright, first check out with the LifeProof case on. I'm really worried because last time I had a case like this, sound quality was definitely inhibited. It definitely did not sound very good at all. So check sound quality and video quality. Check. This is actually going to go in the vlog. So it is 7:30. I'm getting out of work right now. You can kind of see it rained. It didn't just rain, it was like straight up monsoon for a good 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I didn't leave work, I was just chilling, uploading a video. But yeah, straight up monsoon. I'm gonna go drop by the house, get changed, maybe chill out for a second, then try to get into something tonight. But right now I'm just chilling. Shoes, camera bag, skateboard, ugly. Okay. Looks like we're in business right now. We're about to go to a photo shoot right now with some kid, I don't even know, but it's about to be sick, and yeah, just about 9 o'clock right now. Now, I will be completely honest. Being asked to do this shoot, I was excited, and then work was crazy today, and the plan was kind of up in the air for the longest time. Then clocked out and hit him up and got the address. So that's where I'm going right now. Honestly, never heard his music before. Never met the kid. But driving here right now, I got real excited. Excited to listen to new music. Excited to shoot with someone I've never shot with before. And excited just to get out there. So, I mean, it'll probably be a real short shoot. Hopefully it'll get kind of the impression of what I'm trying to do, what he's trying to do. Maybe we can work together sometime in the future as well. But yeah, I'm real excited to have this first experience. Unfortunately, it's almost 9 o'clock. But, that's nothing.
sound like some timepiece shit. Sound like the shit that I did. It was just called Precious. That was a plug. You still rock loves. I'm through drugs.